And today we're going to be showing you this Omni Wheel Formula race car. That's right, this is an RC car. It's got Omni wheels, which means it can go sideways, forward, back, diagonally, every different direction. It comes with a standard remote and it comes with a motion remote as well. How cool is that? So what we're going to do is we're going to have Carter jump on the sticks of this thing and drive it around a little bit so we can show you how it works and what you can do with it. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have Carter here. He's got the controller in hand. We're going to use the regular remote first. And here's the car itself. Check it out. Go ahead and move it around. It does have a demo mode on it. Hit the demo button. Well, there it goes. As you can see, this thing moves any direction that it wants. With those specially designed wheels, it can crab walk and goes completely sideways. It also has a special feature. You can see in the back it has a blue LED, but we can also make smoke come out of there as well. How cool is that? All right, so here's a quick up close look of the car. We're going to show you some more footage of it running around, but what they have in the back by the spoiler here is a little reservoir, and you just simply fill that up with water. And put the little cap back on it. And now, let's see what it does. Check that out. We're gonna have to look at that inside, but it is like a jet engine. It's blowing all kind of water mist and vapor out the back. It looks like a jet engine going off. Very, very cool. So you can see Carter's using the little remote control. You have forward, back, left, right. You have go sideways. It's all fully controllable from the remote. You can even control the demo mode and the lights and the smoke. And it's a really cool, fun little Formula One racer. Let's try out the motion controller. All right, so now we have the motion controller, and you can see it's just a simple little wrist strap. And then there's a button on your finger so you can do a quick swap of modes real fast. So the button and the wrist strap, and we're gonna have Carter show us how to do it. By leaning his hand forward, it goes forward. Tilting his hand back, it goes back. As he moves his hand side to side. In one mode, it'll crab walk, and then if he hits the button and goes side to side, it actually spins like that. Very cool. It's quite intuitive, it's easy to pick up on, and it's a fun little RC car. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.